Hello, welcome to our YouTube channel, Miriam, Leonardo, Tango.
In this one, we are going to take a look at an internal sacada that you've been asking for, a very common problem that happened there.
Before going to the video, remember to subscribe, like if you enjoy it, and share with your friends.
Let's jump to the dance floor and start working right away. Alright, here we are, and we are going to show you the internal sacada that we are talking about. Let's do it a couple of times. 1 and 2 and 3, and we can do it again. 1 and sacada out with a tiny, almost colgada, if you see it. So, what happened here, one of the most common problems that happened here is that the leader, after her cruzada, after she drew all the circle, is not waiting for her. Yes, and let us show you the problem very quick. Side step sacada, we work many times on this sacada. I will point out over there the video. Sacada, out, and here's the thing. I'm going to bring her into the cruzada, but leaders with my back foot, I have to step diagonal back to accompany that cruzada and that step. Once I have that, then I can uncross with the rib cage, and then we can walk out for any other step. In this case, it's a normal resolution.
Side step, we have the sacada on our right, followers. Weight on the back leg. When the leader changes, we can do a little kick forward, extension, 2 feet together, and wait for resolution or next step.
One more time. Pum, 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 pum. You will see this step here, step, lifting, and out to a rock step, and we can do it all over again. From this angle, I will point out what happened when you don't do this step, which was the common problem. 1, out without the step, you feet together, and this is rushing the follower. Sorry, Miri. Don't feet together, that was the correction. So instead of putting feet together, one more time to create the correction, instead of putting feet together here, you're going to take the step back and then lift to walk out into the resolution.
One more time, let's do it the right way so you don't confuse. Side step sacada. We can make the circle, cross, lift together, breathe together. And we're going from here to resolution.